Hello and welcome to the second part of how to build a portfolio website using Chat GPT. Today we are going to continue with what we were left last time by creating a few more pages, and then we will learn more how to use or reuse the same code that was generated by Chat GPT. Let's get started. So here, if you remember, we were left with our index HTML file and the folder which we have our 3 images. Now what we want to do, we want to make few changes and also create a new file for about or about us page. If we're gonna go back and click on virtual Docker home about, you can see that we see no changes. This is because the other pages are not created and we haven't linked the other page to our navbar. So now what we are going to do, we are going to make few changes. On the top here we have our logo placeholder, and we are now going to link this one to our index.html, and also for the home we are also going to link it to index.html. All we have to do is specify the name of that file or folder after href. And here we are going to also create another page which is about.html, and we're going to save it. Okay, now we are going to copy the entire code and we are going to create a new file. I'm going to call it about.html, and then I'm going to paste the whole code. Okay, now we can preview, but before that we have a class here called active. And what does that class means? It means that if we are going to switch between pages, if you can see, the home is highlighted, and if we click on about us, it's not highlighted. So basically we're going to use that class to highlight about us once we are on about page, and then if we go back again to the home, it's going to highlight the home as we are at the home page. Okay, so I'm going to change this one. I will just take this class and then I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to click save. Okay, so now we're going to go back again to home. As you can see, now it's highlighting the home and about as we switch between pages. So that indicates that we are now at about us page. We're going to make few more changes, such as we're going to remove this part. We can simply uncomment, gonna save it, and let's make few more changes here. I will call this one about us, and then let's remove the images which we used before, and I am going to call this one about us as well. So it's going to be a bit different from the home page. Okay, we are now saving the entire page, and now we're going to switch back And now as you can see, we have built another page which we can put our about us information in there, and we can also put photos, etc., to look more attractive and beautiful. If we click here again, as you can see, we are going to go back to the landing page, and also if we click on virtual Docker, we are going to be redirected to our home page. Okay, now I'm going to use the Chat GPT to gather some information and put here a little bit about our company or our products, etc. Okay, so I'm gonna go and open ChatGPT website, and here I'm gonna type write me about us page for IT and technology website, and then we click send, and we're gonna wait for Chat GPT to create the content and the information about our page, so we can copy and paste the information which is generated by ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy all the information here, and then I'm gonna go back again to our code, and let's say, okay, I want to change this part between this p tag, which is paragraph tag. I'm gonna delete the entire text here, and I'm going to paste it here. I'm gonna save it. Also, I'm going to remove this part, the last part of our page, by holding Command and / key on Mac, and then save it. And if we go back again and preview, you can see that now we have a clean about us page, our web page, and about our company. So as you can see, ChatGPT is very useful in terms of creating contents, also generating codes, and many more. So now that we have our homepage and about us, we're gonna go and continue by creating the contact us page as well, and I will show you how to create a contact us page for your website. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you on the next video, and goodbye.